Hey guys, welcome back to another video in my Robinhood investing series. Let me just start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. This series is for entertainment purposes only. Alright, so I'm sure you guys have heard at this point the Tesla stock has gone past $1,000 with Elon Musk pushing the Tesla semi-trucks. So they are looking pretty nice. I mean, they're finally starting production of these trucks, and I think this is awesome. So just think of how many truckers there are currently, and if any of them decide to switch to the Tesla truck, I do believe the Tesla stock could go way up, more so than what it already is. So the news for my current Robinhood portfolio is I finally was able to move some monies around in my portfolio and was able to purchase one share of Tesla. My average cost currently is $1,000.82. Just today's return is just $25 based off of my cost when I actually purchased the stock, and its current market price is $1,000.24. So in the near future, I'm going to be doing my best to pull some more money together just to be able to deposit another $1,000 into my Robinhood portfolio so I could actually purchase another share of Tesla stock. Until then, I'll probably just throw in like $5 a day into Tesla until I could finally have enough money to buy a second one. So that's my current plan. Just wanted to give you guys a brief update on what's going on with my Robinhood portfolio. So in other articles, you can see that Tesla can surge as high as $1,500. They're finally breaking into the China market, and apparently a game-changing battery has been announced. So a lot of very positive news coming from Tesla. I mean, obviously there could be one really negative story and it'll bring the price way down because if you guys remember, it soared up to almost $1,000 back in February and then dipped all the way down to $300. And again, it's on the up, reaching all-time highs and finally breaking that 1K price point. But the fact that it's going to be entering into the China market does lead to good signs. Tesla shares leaped as much as 6.6% Wednesday after Elon Musk told employees to ramp up volume production on its semi-trucks. Tesla's rapid expansion into China. So really curious to see where this is going to go in the future. I'm hoping to hold it for maybe around 5 years, like I mentioned before. That's the purpose of my Robinhood account. I'm probably just going to be saving up for a down payment for a future house or just having it stored away just so I'm not tempted to spend any of the money that's in here, forcing myself to save basically. So let me know what you guys think. Are you guys interested in purchasing the Tesla stock, or do you think this is a bad call? Like I said, I'm just merely some guy investing on the internet. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.